Listen, I got $500 right here.
Right here. $650 right here. $660. $680. Keep going, Mom. Keep going. Keep going. Just give it to her. She has a lot of grandchildren. Oh, God. Who won? Whose is it? Thank you very much.
You got a box of chips.
There are a lot of kids.
Open bids on this one. Open bids. Start the bidding at $20. $20.
There's Uncle Mecco.
$30. $40. All right, $50. $50. $50. Right here, 60. 100 right there. You almost got 100. 100 right here, 120.
200.
She said 200. She said 200.
That's 500.
250.
$1,500. They don't have it.
$400 for lunch. $400 sold for Leona.
They're not going together. And they stole the line.
Okay, here we go. What's the Oh, snap. We're going to start bidding right here because we don't have time at $100 if you want to play this one. $100 right here, $100 right here.
Let him have it. Let him have it. Let him have it.
200. 200.
Let him have it.
200 for lunch.
He got a lot of kids. Oh, there you go.
All right, here we go. Right here.
Two bleach and fabric softener.
Bleach and a softener. We're going to start this one.
600.
Is that Downy?
600.
$600. Is everything you have?
700. Bleach.
For the Clorox and the fabric softener, we have a bid for $600.
700. I have to clean the house.
We have 700?
700.
750. 950. Right here, 800. 800. We got a bid for 750 for once, 750 for twice. Sold to Amber. Okay, we have some dishwashing soap.
$1.
You want to start bids at $10. $20. $20. 40. We got 40. Right here, 60. 60.
We use paper plates.
60 going once, 60 going twice. 80. We got 80.
100.
100. 100 going once, or twice. Sold to this one right here. Which one was it? Okay, we got cereal. Fruit Loops. This is